Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is data lineage modeling? Data lineage modeling is the process of creating a visual representation of the data lineage for an organization's data assets. It involves using a data modeling tool to create a graphical representation of the relationships between data sources, data elements, and data transformations. Data lineage modeling typically involves the following steps. 1. Identifying the data sources, data elements, and data transformations that are relevant to the data lineage. 2. Creating a data model that represents the relationships between these data assets, using a data modeling tool such as ER/Studio, Irwin, or Visio. 3. Defining the metadata attributes for each data asset, including the source, format, and any transformations or manipulations that have been applied to it. 4. Linking the data assets in the data model to create a visual representation of the data lineage that shows the flow of data from source to destination. 5. Testing the data lineage model to ensure that it accurately reflects the actual data lineage and making any necessary revisions. Effective data lineage modeling requires a thorough understanding of the organization's data assets, as well as a deep knowledge of data modeling principles and techniques. By creating a clear and intuitive visual representation of the data lineage, organizations can improve their data management practices, support critical business processes, and ensure regulatory compliance. What is data lineage validation? The main goal of data lineage validation is to ensure that the data lineage can be trusted and used to support critical business processes, such as regulatory reporting, risk management, and decision-making. It can help to identify data quality issues, assess the impact of changes to data sources or applications on the data lineage, and support regulatory compliance and risk management. Data lineage validation typically involves the following steps. 1. Identifying the data sources, data elements, and data transformations that are relevant to the data lineage. 2. Reviewing the metadata attributes for each data asset, including the source, format, and any transformations or manipulations that have been applied to it. 3. Mapping the metadata attributes to the actual data flows and transformations in the organization's data infrastructure, using tools such as ETL testing frameworks or data profiling tools. 4. Comparing the data lineage against the actual data flows and transformations to identify any discrepancies or inconsistencies. 5. Validating the accuracy and completeness of the data lineage by performing regular data lineage audits. What is data lineage impact analysis? Data lineage impact analysis is the process of assessing the potential impact of changes to data assets on downstream data systems, applications, and business processes. It involves using the data lineage metadata to trace the flow of data from its source to its destination, and then analyzing the impact of changes to any of the data assets involved in the flow. The main goal of data lineage impact analysis is to identify potential risks and issues associated with changes to data assets, and to ensure that any changes are made in a way that minimizes disruption to downstream systems and processes. Data lineage impact analysis typically involves the following steps. 1. Identifying the data assets that are likely to be impacted by the proposed changes based on the data lineage. 2. Tracing the flow of data from the source to the destination using the data lineage metadata. 3. Analyzing the impact of changes to each data asset on downstream systems, applications, and business processes. 4. Documenting the results of the impact analysis, including any risks, issues, or dependencies that are identified. What is data lineage management? Data lineage management is the practice of tracking and managing the lineage of data through its life cycle. It involves documenting the movement of data across systems and processes from its origin to its destination, and keeping a record of any transformations or modifications that occur along the way. Data lineage management helps organizations to ensure data quality, improve data governance, and comply with regulations. By understanding the lineage of data, organizations can make informed decisions about data usage, troubleshoot issues, and optimize data processing. What is data lineage infrastructure? Data lineage infrastructure refers to the technological architecture and systems that support data lineage management. This can include tools and platforms for tracking and documenting data lineage, as well as the underlying infrastructure such as databases, data warehouses, and data lakes. Data lineage infrastructure must be designed to support the capture, processing, and storage of large volumes of data, and provide capabilities such as data quality checks, data cleansing, and data transformation. It must also be scalable and flexible to accommodate changes in data volumes and processing requirements over time. Examples of data lineage infrastructure include data lineage tools such as Apache Atlas and Calibra, data management platforms such as Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, and cloud-based data warehousing services such as Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery. What is data lineage governance? Data lineage governance refers to the policies, procedures, and controls that govern the management of data lineage within an organization. It involves establishing a framework for managing data lineage that ensures the accuracy, completeness, and integrity of data lineage information. Effective data lineage governance requires establishing a set of standards for data lineage documentation and tracking, ensuring data accuracy and completeness, and defining ownership and responsibility for managing data lineage. It also requires establishing controls for access to data lineage information and for ensuring compliance with relevant regulations and policies. What is data lineage analysis? Data lineage analysis is the process of examining the flow of data from its source to its destination and documenting the path that data takes as it moves through different systems and processes. The goal of data lineage analysis is to understand how data is used within an organization, to identify any potential issues or inconsistencies, and to improve data quality and accuracy. By analyzing data lineage, organizations can identify potential bottlenecks and issues that may impact the quality and accuracy of their data. This information can be used to implement data quality controls and to optimize data processes to improve overall data quality and accuracy. Data lineage analysis is also important for regulatory compliance, as it allows organizations to trace the origin of data and to ensure that data is being handled in compliance with relevant regulations and policies. What is data lineage mapping? Data lineage mapping is the process of identifying and tracing data from its source to its destination and understanding the relationships and transformations that occur as the data flows through different systems and processes. It involves mapping out the various touchpoints and data flows across an organization and capturing metadata about each data element, including its origin, format, and transformation history. The resulting data lineage map can be used for a variety of purposes, such as identifying the impact of changes to data sources or systems, ensuring compliance with data privacy and security regulations, and optimizing data processing workflows. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.